Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. This legendary SUV has been completely redesigned from the ground up, and it's ready to take on any adventure you can throw its way. Design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2024 Prado has a bold and boxy design that's instantly recognizable as a Land Cruiser. The front grille is massive and imposing, and the LED headlights are sleek and modern. The overall look is one of rugged capability, and it's clear that this SUV is built to go anywhere. On the inside, the Prado is just as impressive. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for 5 adults. The materials are high quality, and the fit and finish are excellent. There's also a ton of technology on offer, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a host of driver assistance features. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2024 Prado has a variety of engine options to choose from. There's a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 270 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, as well as a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine that produces 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and they come with full-time 4-wheel drive as standard. No matter which engine you choose, the Prado is a capable off-roader. It has a ground clearance of 227 mm, and it can wade through water up to 700 mm deep. It also has a number of off-road driving modes that make it easy to tackle even the most challenging terrain. So, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is definitely worth considering. It's a great blend of capability, comfort, and technology, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car content. And be sure to let me know what you think of the new Land Cruiser Prado in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, this is definitely the one for you. Thanks for watching.